Like us, you believe that behavior-driven development can make a huge impact to deliver better software faster? Now it will get even better. We are very happy to introduce a new Hiptest module, Living Documentation. With this new module, we leverage the BDD scenarios and the execution history to generate a gorgeous documentation that will always be up to date with your application. Marketing, product teams, and developers can discuss the behavior of the features based on business-readable documentation. Now, with Hiptest, and for the first time ever, it becomes possible to collaborate on key questions like: what are the behaviors of the feature? What's the history? When was the feature created? When was it updated or removed? Let's see how to generate this living documentation. First, you need to make sure that you have a BDD project in Hiptest in order to see the living documentation module. The living documentation is generated from a test run. It uses the BDD scenarios and the execution statuses. For example, you can have one living documentation that follows the CI test run and another living documentation that follows the staging test run. So, let's create our living documentation. In just a click, I can generate this gorgeous documentation, and it will follow the test run updates. If, for example, we add a new scenario to a feature and then we add this scenario to the test run, the living documentation will get updated automatically. Now, that's up to you, and we can't wait for your feedback and suggestions. Happy testing!